Welcome to Infomedia. Don't forget to see the previous videos I have uploaded about the right to information. In this section, I have also explained about the remaining portion of the Right to Information Act. Kerala State Information Commission was formed on 19th December 2005. At present, Kerala State Information Commission has 6 members including Chief Information Commissioner. Palad Mohandas was the first Chief Information Commissioner of Kerala. Present Chief Information Commissioner DGP Vincent M. Paul. Wajahat Habibullah was the first Chief Information Commissioner of India. First woman to become Central Chief Information Commissioner was Deepak Sandhu. The objective of RTA Act 2005: transparency in administration, accountability in administration, openness in administration. An application to get an information under RTA Act should be given to the Public Information Officer or Assistant Public Information Officer. Right to Information Act is available to all citizens. Applicant can obtain information within 30 days from the date of request in the normal case. Information can be obtained within 48 hours from the time of request if it is a matter of life or liberty of a person. To get information under RTA, 10 rupees should be paid along with the application. Persons below poverty line are exempted from paying the application fee. Penalty for refusal to receive an application for information or for not providing information is Rs 250 per day, but the total amount of penalty should not exceed Rs 25,000. Appeal. Any person who does not receive a decision within the time specified or is aggrieved by a decision of the Central Public Information Officer, as the case may be, may within 30 days from the expiry of such a period or from the receipt of such a decision, prefer an appeal to such officer who is senior in rank to the Central Public Information Officer or State Public Information Officer, as such the case may be in each public authority. A second appeal against the decision shall lie within 90 days from the date on which the decision should have been made or was actually received with the Central Information Commission or the State Information Commission. Information means any material in any form including records, documents, memos, emails, opinions, advice, press release, circulars, orders, logbooks, contacts, reports, papers, samples, models, data, materials held in any electronic form and information relating to any private body which can be accessed by a public authority under any other law for the time being in force. Right to information means the right to information accessible under this Act which is held by or under the control of any public authority and including the right to inspection of work, documents, records, taking notes, extract or certified copies or documents or records, taking certified samples of material, obtaining information in the form of diskette, floppies, tapes, video cassette or in any other electronic mode or through printouts where such information is stored in a computer or in any other device.